How to send disappearing view once photos on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Click on the chat where you want to send disappearing view once photo. Then press on the camera at the bottom. After you click on the camera-like icon, you can simply take a picture or select from your gallery. After you've selected the photo, you will find this kind of screen. In here at the bottom right, you'll find one with a circle. Simply click on it. After you click on one with a circle, you'll find this kind of screen, which is view once message. Press on OK. Then press on the arrow at the bottom right, and your picture will be sent in this way. This is how to send disappearing view once photos on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.